Alright, so the other day didn't go so well. My mount kind of messed up on me and battery died, so couldn't show too much. But today, you can see this. This is where rocks kind of get in and they get jammed in between. I've had this problem for a minute. I'm not quite sure how to solve it, but I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna get the metal back in where it's supposed to go, at least kind of flat. If I gotta put another piece of metal in there, I will. But I think I might actually put some wipers in here. So maybe keep the rocks from getting stuck in the blades. So let's see. Okay, well, if you couldn't figure out what I was doing, I was heating that up and trying to beat it flat. I did not succeed. I got it flat on the outside, but on the inside it's definitely not flat. So I'm gonna have to figure out something. I don't know what, but I gotta figure out something. So, and with it being like, you know, in the single digits in temperature outside, GoPro's gonna have to go in my pocket to warm up for a while, and then I can video, go in the pocket, warm up. Batteries don't like the cold. So, stand by. Oh, getting a little fire going in the shop too. Kind of warm it up so I can actually come over and warm up my digits every now and then. But it is freaking cold outside. Alright, so I got it banged out as best I can. There's still a nice pretty groove in there. So I got a small piece of like 1/2 inch, 3/4 strap. I don't know, probably 8 inch, something like that. So we'll get that put in. That doesn't work. The mount's not cooperating with me here. Alright. Oh, come on. That'll work. So, what the hell? I keep banging this thing out. So we got it. Get that backwards. I'm having to custom bend this thing. So it can fit in there. Oh, that should fill my gap pretty good. And then, like I said, I'm going to put some rubber strap, looks like conveyor belt stuff on there to seal up this gap. Hopefully it'll act as a wiper, keep rocks from getting wedged in between. So kind of like a pre-wiper, I guess. So this isn't ideal, but I should have taken this whole fan shroud apart before this time of year, but I didn't. So let me get it in place, tacked in place, and facing a freaking hole. Oh, come on. Oh, that looks like fucking dog shit. Alright, well, it's kind of slow going. I don't know if you can really see too well. It's not coming out too bad. I'm not the best welder in the world, but I'm not. I got a lot of the parent material is like super thin on these edges, so I'm having to chase and fill and grind, and then yeah, should look okay once I'm done. But this is taking way longer than I wanted to. If I showed everything on video, it'd be like a 6-hour video. Alright, well, check back in a bit. Okay, so all done. Ain't the prettiest, but it was pretty messed up. So, but it does spin, doesn't hit. Not sure what these blades are made out of, but I can't really get a drill bit to go through it, especially when I can't really get my hands on it. Probably the best way to be to take the impeller off and do it that way. But for now, I think it'll be alright. But it's done. Made a big mess. There's black snow now. Yeah, black snow. It goes from black to white. Alright, well, sorry about not getting what I was doing yesterday done, but I did get around and get everything cleaned up. Got the Jeep all cleaned up. Oh yeah, had to replace coil and bushings on my Jeep. So anyway, so new coil, new plugs, or new wires. So thanks for watching. Bye.